Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to clear Snapchat cache on phone. First, open the phone settings. Look for the apps option on your settings and tap on it. Now scroll down until you see the Snapchat app and tap on it. Tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache. And you will clear the cache of the Snapchat app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to clear your Snapchat cache on your phone. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.